Now uh, hello viewers, now we are going to explain another great feature of jQuery. Already we know that selector expression can return a bunch of values with an array. That means it can return the array elements, the return set as an array. That in that array it contains a DOM elements. That means document object model elements. In order to perform more operations regarding our requirement, here we can use some more jQuery functions for doing a better performance on selecting elements. That means that return DOM elements. For that one, here we are going to discuss a few functions or methods. Few methods are size and length. These both are same. Return the number of elements in the jQuery result set. That means when we are passing an selector, it can return a group jQuery result set. That means a bunch of array elements. In order to find out that length or size of that result, we can use this size and length elements. Like that, another one is get, returns an array of all matched DOM elements. That means what are the elements that are contained in that array will be returned. By using index number, we can return a particular single DOM object element will be returned by using get index. Another one is find expression, search for descendant element that match the specified. That means what are the expression will be matched, find the DOM element in that result set. And then next one is each function. That means each function, in order to some more operations on bunch of array elements, we can use this each for looping purpose. In order to write a looping function, we can select all the elements in that result set. By using this each function, we can perform a loop function. Better to understand, see in practically. Open our program. Here we are using our previous example code. Let's see it and how it looks like once again. Save changes. Yes, this is our previous example HTML web page. We can do these functions in these jQuery functions in this HTML page. Whether we are going to do first one, we can display how many li tags or how many p tags in this HTML page. For that one, I have to display an alert message. Alert. There are here our selection of p tags. It will return say, wait a minute, our p tag of that selection of p tags length. Here we are going to find out that selection of p tags, and then the selection of result set of p tags of length of that result set. Length, it will return an integer number. There are this integer number of p tags. Let's save it and open our web browser. Press F5. Here it is, an alert message. There are 6 p tags. Let's check it. This one and this one, these all are 6 p tags. like that. Here we can pass, but here we can check the length by using size also. Size, let's save it, and after here it is. There is also alert message. There are 6 p tags, and another one is, let's comment out this one and check another one, that is get function. For that one, using here I am passing where elements is equal to, I am passing all the selection into an array. Here the get element, that means here I am created a variable with name lm. In that variable I passed a selection of li tags dot get. That means this function get the all elements of jQuery selection set that will be passed into an element variable, and then I am going to display an alert message. There are the length of the element, that means this is the variable lm is a bunch of array elements. In order to, by using JavaScript tag, that means array.length, here I am going to calculate the length of the element array. Elm dot length returns the length of this elm array, and then li tags, that means it will return how many number of elements in that element array. Let's find out. Let's save it and open our browser. First F5, here it is, the alert message. There are 4 li tags. It will show. Open another one. In order to, next one is find. For finding function, here we are going to write find. Going to find. Here in this one we are selecting an all UL tags. In that UL tags we have to find out li tag with class name base1 and quoted with solid blue color. Let's save it and observe in browser. See it one. WCF has been quoted with borderline. Let's check it what's happened. Here it is. The in all UL tags it will select all these. In that all it select all li tags. In that one li tags a class name with base1. Like that, observe another one, that is att2 class name att2. Save it and then open or browse. First of all, it will be changed to this. This will be quoted. Like this one we can use find out one, and another one is statement. For this one I have created 2 variables where left margin is equal to 0 and where border is equal to 0. Here we are selected all p tags. In that one we have passed each statement. In this each we are going to write a function. In this function we are writing our code, that is select the current $. This will shows the what are the elements in that p text. That means the shows the current object, the current element of that selected p array. That means $this can select the each one of elements in that p array, in that array. For this one, first CSS cascading style sheet of border of 5px. Wait a minute, here we are going to pass our border value, that means pass border with solid, with both these pixels with solid border, solid blue color, and then we are going to do same thing to another this for selection of current element and CSS. Here we are going to margin left. We are here going to move that object into left side. Of an value of left margin. Left margin, and here we are going to pass our increment of our border, and here we are going to increase our border with 3 pixels. Wait a minute, 5 pixels, which equal to 5, and here we are going to increase left margin value also, left margin with 10. Save it and begin browser. Here it is. Wait a minute. Here first we are going to pass 0 pixel margin border, 0 pixel border. For this one I have to change this as 5 and press up erase. Firstly it will be only one thing will be worked. Let's check it another one. The left margin will not be worked for that one. Okay, here we are going, here each function I am selecting all p tags with the, this can select the each individual p tags, that means first and second, third and fourth, like that. First it will be coated with blue color, solid blue color, and then move to margin left, and then increment of left margin, and then border, and then this loop will be looped. Let's see how it is in a browser. Here it is, and then this is first one, and then the border will be increased, and also the margin will be also moved to left, and here it is, border will be answer, and again move to left, and border will be again move to left. This is the functions. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.